Hey, this is Chez with Abe Roofing. We're here in Vincennes, Indiana. We are looking at a two-story house that we put a roof on. We had some challenges with. The homeowners had some challenges with, and let me show it to you real quick. So that's the house.
It's a two-story. It's got we did the top layer, and then over to the right side you can see it's got some flat roofing as well. So we put a rib panel up top, which looks gorgeous. And they had a couple chimneys up there. We'll talk about that in a little bit. And then we put a flat roof over there. It had metal on it. A lot of times you see that. And what we did was we put TPO on there, which is a flat level roofing, and took care of all their roofing situations.
So the big house behind me there in Vincennes, Indiana, the challenges we had with it, there were numerous layers on the top there, 4 layers actually, and then we had to replace some decking as well. It's common in your older homes, a lot of layers on it. If you're in Vincennes and you got some issues with your roof, give us a call. Set up an appointment. We'll come up with a solution for your roof and get you some financing. Let us get you a roof. Have a great day. God bless.